Hello, I'm Matt with Small HD, and today we're going to go over camera control for our Small HD monitors. Why would you want camera control? Well, a lot of camera control is in a small menu on the camera or sometimes located right on the viewfinder, which makes it very difficult for an AC or a director or DP to be able to control the camera and make adjustments without getting in the way, really. So when an operator's operating and you have a monitor for your AC on the other side of the camera, you can have full camera control over ISO, shutter angle, you can start remote start stop. What you can also do with camera control is you'll be able to transmit it wirelessly. So while you can use camera control on the monitor itself with the touch screen or the joystick, you can transmit it wirelessly with a Small HD TX version, which we have right here. When you purchase a Small HD camera control kit, it's going to come with an activation license as well as the cable you need. If you already own a cable, say an Ethernet cable, or you bought it a la carte, you can just buy the activation license online. First you're going to do is register your email and a password. Once you have an account on Small HD, navigate to the activation page. From here you're going to enter your activation license. Once that is done, it's going to ask for your monitor token. When you go to licenses and you're activating a new license on your Small HD monitor, it's going to show you your monitor token in the top right. After you enter your monitor token and it's been validated, then it's going to ask for your serial number. Your serial number can be located on the back of the monitor on the silver sticker. Type that in. Once it's been confirmed and activated, it will then give you a license key. When you're going to activate your license on the Small HD monitor under licenses, you'll be able to enter your activation license, and now you're able to go into accessories on the menu and turn on your camera control. If you're plugged into your camera properly and you have camera control on, you will be good to go. Each camera will have a slightly different specific way to set up. In order to do this, go to our support page and look up the step-by-step support guide on how to set up your camera with your camera control license. Now let's go over the cameras that we support with camera control. First we have ARRI. We support Alexa, Alexa Mini, Alexa Mini LF, Amira, as well as Alexa 35. In the box we have several cables as well as the activation license to be able to activate it on your monitor. The cables we supply for the ARRI control is the Ethernet to 10-pin locking connector. We have a straight and a right angle, and we also have an Ethernet cable. In the Sony kit, we have a slim Ethernet cable, and it comes with an activation license. We currently support Venice 1 and 2, FX6, and Sony Burano. With Red, we have two generations of Red. So initially we had the DSMC2 generation, and then now with Red's new camera control protocol, we have RCP2. So DSMC2 is basically RCP1, and then with Komodo, DSMC3 and onward is RCP2. So it depends on the Red camera you have, depending on which kit you want to get. In these kits, we have a 5-pin cable to a 4-pin control cable for your Red. Now some monitors, like the Cine 7, does not have a 5-pin on it, and what you're going to see in your kit, unless you buy it a la carte, a micro USB to 5-pin adapter, and then you activate with your license and you'll be able to have Red camera control on your Small HD monitor. We offer camera control on our current line of Small HD monitors right now, from Indie to Cine to Ultra, all the way up to our production monitors. The only caveat is it depends on which camera control you're using. Starting with 702 Touch, going into Indie 5, Indie 7, and Cine 5, those can do Red only. Some of them have the 5-pin port on the I/O, and some of them need a micro USB to 5-pin adapter. Those will all be able to do Red. Once you get to Cine 7, what you have is an Ethernet port. Now with Ethernet, you've graduated up to Sony or ARRI camera controls. You'll have Ethernet all the way up to our production monitors, so Cine 7, Ultra 5, Ultra 7, and then our production monitors all have Ethernet, and they control these cameras the same way. The only difference would be on a production monitor, you just don't have touchscreen and you can control with the click wheel. Going back to some of our legacy monitors, the 703 could not do camera control, nor could the 503, 703 Ultra Bright can't. The first that we were able to use camera control on with Red camera control was the 702 Touch, but not the original 702.